Hey everyone, thanks very much for coming back and joining me in the workshop. I've been making this blank. Every time I've had sort of a spare 5 minutes, I've had to wait for something to go off or for some glue to dry, something like that. I've been cutting apart and gluing back together this blank over a period of a couple of weeks. This is it down here. And this is what I've made. So it started out off life as a plain blank of Sycamore, and then I have just steadily sort of cut into it and then added these strips of cherry in there in this crisscross pattern. But yeah, I thought we'd turn this today, so fingers crossed it'll survive. Anyway, that's the idea. So yeah, we're going to turn this. Okay, right, so this needs to be as centered as possible. Now that doesn't necessarily mean the center of it right now, so if I were to use the center finder, the center might be actually here or there, but what I need to do is I need to find the center of these squares. So the most important bit is getting this in the right place, which is about there, and I think it would be a smart idea to pre-drill those holes. Groovy. Man, do you know what? That's so close. We'll leave it there. We will leave it there. Right, so for anybody who's new to this or just learning, or been doing it for years but not quite sure how I do it, I'll show you a little trick. So to get the bottom of the bowl flat, ideally you don't want it wobbling about, right? So when it's on the deck, you don't want it feeling unsteady. Okay, so that means to get in the lowest part of the bowl as far away from the center as possible. Okay, that's what we're trying to do. So what I use is just a straight edge, all right, and I stick it straight across the middle there. So put the pressure in the middle. Where it's touching is here and here. Okay, so I need to get rid of this part and essentially make the bowl hollow here on the bottom. So I want it to touch as far out to the sides as possible. That will give me the largest circular contact, and therefore it will give me the most stability. So you can have that one on me. That's a freebie. Okay, try and get your contact patch as far towards the rim as you possibly can. All right, really need to stop saying words like rim. Yeah, okay, so yeah, there it is. There's me little golden tip. All right, so yeah, contact patch, get it as far out to the side as you possibly can. There we go, that should be about right. There we go, so you can see there's a divot there, and where the black parts are, where it's making contact, and that's moved right out to the edge.
Driving at night, windowless ride, feeling alive. Nothing in sight, forever in flight. Follow those lines, we'll make it this time. Blurry street lights, work as a guide to memories that we're making tonight. Oh yeah, we'll make it tonight. Yeah. I'll do anything that I feel like I wanna do. I'm living like I got nothing to prove. Just always staying on the move.
Yeah. Not bad, that. Not bad at all. Do a drink? Yeah, go on. Cheers. You missed a bit. Huh? Fuck you.
I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? I'll just breathe in. Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH, country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? I'll just breathe in. I'm in a race that everybody's chasing fast. They wanna be that someone on the screen at last. They ain't looking inside for their needs in life. They wanna be like by everybody in sight. But trust me, being free ain't spotlights. No, it's long nights and it's long fights with yourself all the time to get your mind right. But if you put in the work, you can find the light, alright? I'll do anything. I'm living life like I got nothing left to prove. No end in sight, just always staying on the move.
Unbelievable. Look at that handsome idiot. Happily blabbering away to the camera, ignorant of the fact that he hasn't turned the microphone on. I mean, what a rookie mistake. But never mind, I'll do his bit. So thanks very much for joining me back in the workshop. I really hope you enjoyed this one. Here it is in the flesh. I mean, it's still really shiny. It's been in the house now for a couple of months, been used as a fruit bowl on our dining room table. It is
just beautiful, feels very solid, no signs of cracking along any of the seams or joins. I'm really pleased about that. It's just a really nice piece to look at. Really happy with the way this turned out, and I hope that you enjoy watching it being brought to life. Just leaves me to say thank you very much for watching. If you're still watching to the end, you're a legend. Really appreciate you. If you're not subscribed, these videos do take a lot of time and a lot of effort, so please, I'd really appreciate it if you hit the subscribe button and become a subscriber. That would be awesome. And then hit your notifications as well. Come back and join me next time I'm in the workshop. Right, so that's it from me. Thanks very much. Be good to each other, stay safe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Cheers all. Yeah, bloody idiot.